Today's topics are transpose and symmetric matrix. In this video, we will study transpose of a matrix A and what are symmetric matrix. Now, when we say about the transpose of A, we mean that the elements of A matrix are flipped along the diagonal. So, for example, consider this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 3 by 2 matrix. So when you transpose it, it is flipped across the diagonal. So this is the diagonal. So when you flip across the diagonal, you get the matrix 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. So it is a 2 by 3 matrix. It has, so here it is, here this was A and this is the transpose of the matrix A. So our columns become row and our rows become the columns. So our matrix was 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, and this was A, and when we do a transpose it becomes 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. So these are our rows. So this has become columns and our columns have become the rows. So for the transpose matrix we can write A transpose Ij, where Ij are the indexes, is equals to A of Ji. Here this is our A matrix and the transpose of the matrix is this. So when we say A12, it is the first row, second column, we get 2 here, which is the same, which is same 2. If we take transpose, it's 2, 1. So A transpose, second row, first column, we get the same element 2. Now for A21 for matrix A is second row, first column, which is this 3, and for transpose we will look at the A12. So first row, second column, we get the same element. So this was transpose matrix. Now let us study symmetric matrix. So what are symmetric matrix? If A transpose is equal to A, our matrix A is symmetric matrix. For example, consider this A. Now when you transpose the matrix, you get the same matrix A. So A matrix is symmetric. Now one way to identify the symmetric matrix is this elements. If this elements Aij equals to Aj, then those matrices are symmetric. For example, this 5 and this 5 and this, the value here is 4 and the value here is 4. So when you transpose it, you get the same matrix. Now let us study another property for A transpose A. Now consider the matrix A, rectangular matrix A. Now we know the property of symmetric matrix. If A has to be if A is equals to A transpose, A will be a symmetric matrix. But it is not possible for a rectangular matrix. For this, A has to be a square matrix, so that it is a symmetric. Now if A is in rectangular matrix, what this property says is that A transpose A is always symmetric. Now let us do the multiplication of A with A transpose. We have A here, so A transpose will be this matrix. You can see the elements are flipped along the diagonal, and A Ij is equals to A transpose Ji. So when you do A transpose A, so this is our A transpose, it is a 2 by 3 matrix and our A is 3 by 2 matrix. So you will get a 2 by 2 matrix. So when you multiply these two, you will get a matrix. The matrix is 9, 12, 12 and 24. Now you can see that these 12 are equal. So this matrix is symmetric matrix. Now let us prove that A transpose A is always symmetric. Let us write A transpose A as B. Now we know that for symmetric matrix A transpose has to be equals to A. The transpose of a matrix has to be equals to the matrix itself. So if B transpose will be equals to B, then B will be symmetric. Here our B matrix is A transpose A. So we take transpose for B. So it is A transpose A transpose. Now when you apply the transpose on the multiplication operator, so it changes. So for A transpose A transpose, the transpose the order of multiplication will be changed. So it will be A transpose will come first, and the second element will be A transpose. Now this A transpose is our this, and we apply transpose to it. So the transpose of a transpose gives the same matrix. So it is again A transpose A, which is B. So our B transpose is equals to B. So this proves that A transpose A is always symmetric.